Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the home screen on your Amazon Fire TV to load if it's not. So on the home screen here, if you don't see any applications, go on over to settings and then go on down. And we want to go over to devices and software and just see if there's an update for our Fire TV. So we can go to about and then go to check for updates. Now most of the time when this happens, it's because you're not currently connected to the internet. And there could be some sort of issue with that. So I don't see any updates to install, so I'm going to back out. And then I'm going to go up to network right here and select this. Then go to your network, says I'm connected, and press the play button on it. And this will open up the Network Status Advisor app. And this should allow you to see if you're connected to the internet and just see if that is the problem. If you're not able to connect to the internet, nothing on the home screen will load. You'll just have like the home screen and settings as an option. So go over to your router and your modem, unplug it from the wallet for at least 1 minute, come back to your Fire TV and see if that actually starts to connect to the internet now. Otherwise, you can simply try reconnecting to your internet by pressing the button with the 3 lines on it and forget your network, then go to see all and just simply reconnect to it. So here's the one I was connected to. Now I have to type in my password. Okay, and I'm connecting back to my Wi-Fi network. Or you could try restarting your TV by pressing the play button down and the middle select button down at the same time. Now hold this down and this will restart your TV with the remote. And it should restart after about 10 seconds here. And just do a quick restart. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.